Hello and welcome. My name is Robyn and this is my channel. So I have a new box to my channel. It's the silver swag box. And I've been eyeballing this box. I've been seeing it on several YouTubers' channel. And so I gave in. I saw it on Reviews with Sue, and you know, she does such a tremendous job in enabling people to buy boxes. So I used her discount and I bought it. This box is $49.99 a month, and she had a $15 off coupon. And I will leave that link below so that you can use her coupon code and get $15 off. So what did it come to, like 35, 45, 40, whatever, but it's free shipping. So let's get into the box. So if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. I so appreciate it. If you like my channel and its content and my Rosanna Dana new hairstyle, please hit that subscribe button. Tap the bell button so that you get notified of my future video, and a thumbs up. And if you're returning, thank you, thank you, thank you. You know how much I love and appreciate your loyalty to my channel. So you open the box and it says Hello May, and I think I wanted the April box. I can't remember, but when I saw her box, there was like a couple items and I knew I had to have it. And I thought I'd email them to make sure I would get it. So I don't know if she showed the April or May box, but we'll find out. And yeah, I think this is the box I wanted because it was a silver swag garden party. I love boxes with themes. And of course, it's got those little themes that I leave a trail all over my house. So, excuse me, allergies are going crazy. I don't know if you guys suffer from allergies, but 'tis the season. And let's see if I can remember what it was that I wanted from this box. But I can smell the soap. This is labeled Spa Day, and it's an all-body soap, handmade vegan. Oh my God, I bet you if I just left this in my house and didn't do anything else, like a candle or anything, it would smell my whole house. And then, and I know I wanted this, it's like I am a hummingbird. You know, my mom's been in the hospital. She came home and we have to keep her like mellow. So my sister bought her coloring books and crayons, and I have a paint by numbers thing, and I wanted to give her this puzzle. So I know it would relax her, but what a great puzzle. And so yeah, this was the box I wanted. And it was a lemon cake, and I know Sue would not have shared that with me, so I had to get my own. And I don't think there was like, let's see, maybe there is, if there's retail prices in here. Oh yeah, what's inside? But I don't think they put prices. So it's got I Am a Hummingbird puzzle, and the body soap, and there's assorted scents, and mine smells amazing. And there's actually 2 of the lemon cakes, and of course I won't be sharing. And so that's all I've opened so far. And then the Spa Sister Simply Drop Your Favorite Soap. Oh, that's what I remember, because you like using these, but it's hard to use them without putting them in something, so you have the little bags to put the soap in. So how cool is that? Spa and Smooth. Looks like there's something in there. So how nice is that? I'm all about the spa. So it's the Net Soap Saver Sack by Spa Sister. And then it had the lemon cake, so there's 2 of those. And things are just getting all over. And there was this. It's lemon iced tea. Yeah, there was like a ton of things in this box. So it was like a no-brainer to say, okay, finally I'm gonna break and I'm gonna get this. Now I don't want to ruin this, and I can't remember. I think Sue opened it real easy, but I'm a box breaker. Let's see if I can. There we go. You just open this lemon, and it's got a bag to make the iced tea. Wow, that is just pretty cool. So we have that, and it's now on the floor. And then there's 2 more things. There's the Sunny Seeds chocolate covered sunflower seeds, and I have never heard of them. You know, I love sunflower seeds, and I had never heard of these. So these will be a non-shareable item. And there's one more thing in the box. And this is the wireless speaker. And we just got our hot tub. We've been able to use it once because we've been gone. And I said, I must have a wireless speaker somewhere. In one of my boxes, or 2 of my boxes, I know I received them. So now I have, that's really pretty, a wireless speaker. So you put the charger in here, and then I can hook up my phone or iPad, and we can have music outside. Now that is really nice. And there's like a couple of cards in here. So it says, "Spring is nature's way of saying let's party" by Robyn Williams. And it says Mother's Day is coming up. And so we got the lemon cake, the rainbow sunny seeds by Sunflower Food Company. So if you wanted to order any of these other items, you can probably go to their website. The citrus iced tea mix, the Bluetooth speaker, the Net Soap Saver, I Am a Hummingbird puzzle, and the body soap. So we got 2, 5, we got 7 items in this box. And so you don't have to have silver here to actually enjoy this box. Let me know what your favorite item in this box was. And I can honestly say every single one of these items was my favorite. So I am going to leave Sue's link below to save $15 off of your first box. Otherwise it's $49 a month, which I think is well worth it. And again, this makes a great gift. I mean, obviously it's a little too late for Mother's Day, but I don't know what their themes are. I'm gonna have to go back. As I said, I've seen them unboxed all the time, and I'm like, oh, do I want that box? Do I need another lifestyle box? And of course the answer is yes. So again, let me know. I do have a giveaway below, and it's to help Jean Louise and Amanda hit 1,000 subscribers. So please go check her out. She is such a sweet, sweet woman, and she's just so, so close. So please go check that out. You guys have an awesome day. Again, thank you for supporting my channel, and we'll see you in the next video.